Hey guys, Grubandtherangerz here and welcome back. Today is going to be some footage from Operation Rebel Yell 3. This is the end of day 1. This is just all the random footage put together because after that last part, it's just a bunch of us running around shooting, getting killed, and coming back. So, I'll let you guys get into it.
Ready to peel? Stairs, stairs, check upstairs, stairs.
I'm gonna grab the most. We got fire coming in right here. We have to breach on this. We have to go. Where are we on that? The last door. The last door.
If you can get a spot, I can put a tag in and let me know.
Oh, that's not gonna happen.
Okay.
But if you got a tag, you need to hit that gas station.
Okay.
That's where the crossfire is gonna come from.
Where? Just try to hit the big open door?
Yeah.
Should I go for the big garage door on the gas station?
Okay, what are we gonna do? Fly up in this. Hey, in the first.
Should I go for the garage door on the gas station? Okay. Right now?
First door. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go in. Hold on. Let me come out and take a look where I'm going. Hold on.
Okay. Whenever.
Hey, he's tagging.
No, whenever. Tell me when to tag.
Tag that shit now.
Boom, bullseye.
Go.
Hit! Ow, hit!
Make it. Yo. Oh! No! Matt, calm me down. It's a miss.
Searching.
Nothing.
Ah, shit, that was worth nothing.
No, that was a good crawl.
No.
All right, come back.
We bleed out in 30 minutes.
Automatic weapon.
Oh, come on!
Searching.
Damn it! Nothing. Are we done?
So much suspense, I don't like you. No, I'm just kidding.
We're good. Okay. But nothing. Alright, I'm about to move and you might get lit the fuck up, dude.
Hey, I like your tie pad.
Did he get you down there? You did now?
No, I'm good.
Are you done?
No, I'm good.
You acting done?
A little bit. Just laying here, see what he does. He missed me. He's not ranging me.
Alright, man. Ready? Well, do you got your weapon with you or is it behind you?
I got my sidearm with me.
I was going to get up and get in here, one or the other, because you took your sink it this way.
Jacob, can you give cover fire? Jacob. Jacob.
Ready? Hey, we're about to cross. Ready? Crossing.
Crossing!
Should I move now?
Oh, Delara's dead. That's why we go.
They like me.
I know if I start crawling, they're just gonna light me up.
Yep. But just, one thing to just go to where you came from. Go back to your primary weapon.
I can't get back there.
Then I would just jump up and run up the stairs.
Yeah, I'm waiting for them to give me a second though.
That's it right there. See that?
No. I crawled over here.
Slide your right leg up, so less movement you have to do.
That was a tan guy I could have shot.
about to run out of battery power. I got people coming through the trees. I ain't surprised they ain't sniped me yet. The maintenance building is supposed to be off limits.
Do you have a medic in there?
Hey, we got a medic up here? You're dead.
Next time they burst and go off, I'm gonna jump in.
There's nobody out, dude. There's nobody out. Nobody peeking, nobody looking. Nobody peeking, nobody looking.
Holy shit, I don't know how I made that. Okay. Beep, beep, mother.
You got a knife on him?
Ah, it was too short.
I don't have a knife. You got a knife on him?
Oh, it didn't blow up. Well, that sucks.
Is there still another guy behind that?
Well, that's was a.
I'm heading out. Come on, enforcement, keep it.
What was that? I can't see shit. They're just like.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, rate, subscribe. Check out some more videos, and until next time, I will see you guys on the battlefield.